Red Bull bag detector. Let's go. I just jumped on the freeway and we're gonna head up there to that mountain range up there, which is called Black Mountain. And there's a little park right on the edge. I used to call it Dime Park because it seemed like every single signal that I hit there was dime after dime after dime. But let's get out there and see. Yeah, so this is where we're going right here, man. Right on Horizon Ridge, right up here at the base of Black Mountain. Now that wasn't bad, bro. I mean, I cry a lot, but hell, on the freeway, as long as you're jumping on the freeway, you could be at these places here in just a matter of minutes. Watch out for Mr. Ram truck there. I'm gonna come out here. Man, I would have loved to have been able to work for this fire department. Local number 85, yeah. And you know, there's happened to be this beautiful park up here, bro. Hey man, if you guys like hiking and stuff, this is really so cool. You know what I mean? Come out here and park your car, man. Come out here and just hike these trails. They got the trails already paved out for you folks, and yeah, head up there around the trails and do some hiking. But we're not gonna do no hiking today, man. We're just gonna come out here and try to find a little bit of treasures at the local park. Try not to freak nobody out because they ain't ever seen no metal detectors show up here. But this is where we're going. Let's go up a little bit more, huh? Yeah, right up over here. Yep, this is where I'm gonna start. Right here. All right. There we go. This is my park. All right, let's get out to the... All right, so we've got a couple kids down here. I'm gonna head down this way. Trying to scope out this park and see where's the hot spots around here. I'm gonna try to start a new series for you guys called 10 and 20. And what that is I'm just gonna go ahead and hit up 10 targets in 20 minutes your time. I mean, it may take me a good hour and a half to come and find these things, but for you, 20 minutes, because I know that's all you guys can stomach. These long drawn out detecting videos that are 30 minutes, an hour. There's all these click-throughs on there because I know you guys can't stay there and just watch all this. You don't got the time, so your time is important just as mine is. But look at how beautiful that is up there, guys. I hope you can get this view. Take a look at this. That's just, bro, that is just natural beauty. Right at the very edge of the city. I'm tired of all this developing, dude. Developing is just terrible. If you could still keep some of this stuff out here. Dude, the air is so fresh. The sun, it's just like 70 degrees out here, bro. This is just living, man. If you could take some deep breaths, man, and still be mobile enough to come out here like this is life, bro. This is truly one beautiful day. Let's get out here and see what we can get, huh? Oh, and by the way, I'm using the Quest Q40 today. Wanted to do my cycling through all of my stuff that I have, and everything's pretty much set. .84 ground balance, huh? Let's go. Wow, already, huh? Put the coil right down. There's something there. 82, 83. Just the old dime action. See, I told you this was Dime Park, man. Ain't that something? First target, man, dime. All right, man, 76. Doesn't seem too deep. Some sort of a bling jewelry. 76. 7780. Oh, we knew we were gonna run into him. Stinking zinkins. I switched to all metal, guys, and got a 30 signal. Let's see what we got here. Oh, nice. It's a nice Allen fastener. Nothing I like. All right, got another 8283. This one says it might be pretty deep, man. But hey, it's still within the distance of my pointer, which means it can't be that deep. 5 inches at least. This thing's good for 5 inches. So what do we got here? In the plug. In the plug, that's 4 inches. Oh, here it is. Another dime, guys. Dude, remember when I told you that I call this place Dime Park? Have you ever had that situation, bro, where you go to a park and you find the same things over and over and over again? This is one of those. I don't know what it is, man, but how can you lose so many dimes but not a whole bunch of other chains? Just exclusively dimes here at this park. Dime Park. All right, guys, another 8384. Not too deep. Another 3-inch signal, or so it seems. Right here. Not another dime, but a cent penny. Yeah, man, cent pennies sound just like dimes, man. And this is what, 1954. 1954 wheat cent, man. Might as well call this a dime because dimes and pennies come in the same. Dime Park, man. All right, man. Got me a bouncy little 58. I love 56, 58. That's normally a ring, but it's bouncing up to 61. $57 to $61. Let's go for it. $57.61. Come on, baby. $57.61. What does Paystreak say? Bring it on, baby. Bring it on. Uh-oh. Well, dude, if it ain't a ring, it's nickels. And on this machine here, man, if you're pulling up nickels, you're definitely on the jewelry. Because any kind of a ring, especially a gold ring, will ring up as a nickel. So hey, I'm not pissed, man. I'm happy. Beautiful day. We're alive, and we're metal detecting. All right, man. 80, 81, 82. Huh. Oh, some of that can slaw-ish action. Now, right next to that ugly can slaw, I got another same signal here. What are the odds that it's going to be the same can slaw? 84. Why wouldn't it be? Bet you that mower hit that can and spread it all around here. Oh, what'd I tell you, man? The same schmack. And you know what? It wasn't can slaw. It was a vape. Yeah, man, a chopped up vape. So I have the other piece of the chopped up vape. Let me see. There it is. See, I said can slaw, but it was really two pieces of the same vape. Exact same signal, man. Exact same signal, very close vicinity to the last target. What are the odds, huh? Right on, man. Metal detecting, folks. All right, man. Nickel signal again. Nickel or ring. 5760. All right, right here. Nickel or ring? Oh, there it is. We're on it again, guys. Nickelodeon action. Nickel. Switched my tone down into two-tone. Let's go back up and go into four-tone. 89, 90, 91. That's normally a quarter, but we'll see. Yeah, 91. This one's coming in really deep, over 5 inches. There it is. Quarter signal. I just love it when you know the number, man, and the number sounds right. 89, 90, 91. That's definitely a quarter on the Q40. All right, guys. 84, 83, 84. Right here. Another dime at Dime Park. Oh. All right, I have enough EMI. No need to pollute it with more pulse signals going into the coil. But yeah, man, another dime action. All right, man, 61 to 68 signal. It is in the nickel range, a little bit higher. Right in here somewhere. Oh, a bouncy, lovely pull tab. First of the day. Bammo. 89.91. That's a quarter signal all day. Gotta dig all the quarter signals, man. 89, 90, 91. Definitely a quarter signal. Voila. Cortair. All right. 5760, 5760. That's nickel or ring. $57. Oh no, right off the gate. Nickelodeon action. All right. Another sexy dime tone. 84. Dime tone. 84. Not in the plug, but I did see some sign of life right about here. Did I drop it? Right here. There it is. Another dime at Dime Park. Word. All right. Another juicy fruit signal. Another dime signal from Dime Park. You see, you're right there. There we go. Another dime action. Dime Park, man, will keep its name. All right, guys, so let's run up here to this picnic table and do a quick little wrap up, see what we found here today. Didn't find no jewelry, which that sucks. I always want to find something. You get spoiled, especially when I had that one run where I found, what, 6 rings in the course of 3 hunts, just to come out here and bunk out and just get all this bunk stuff. But we all know it can't be all, you know, St. Louis Rams celebrations every single time you come out here. So let's take a look at what we did find for today, huh? All right, let's lay this thing down. Let's see. All the nonsense and all the good. All right, man, so on the nonsense, you can just see here the typical stuff you're gonna find. A crusty penny. I notched this thing out, man. I didn't want to waste time finding these today, so you didn't see me pulling much pennies because I notched out 78. So 78 was gone, but we left all the foil in, and of course you saw busted up vape, a few pull tabs, some foil, this little piece of bling, whatever that is. Looks like a ladybug pendant of some sort, big old blob of foil. And then we had one wheat cent. That was cool. You don't find wheat cents in Las Vegas very much. 1, 2, 3. Was it 3 nickels? Yeah, 3 nickels, 2 quarters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dimes, 2 pennies. And that's it, man. That was the quick little wrap up for today. All right, guys, so that's all I have for you today. Thank you again for joining me on another little episode here, Detecting Las Vegas. And man, it's just such a beautiful day up here at this Horizon Ridge Park. I'm gonna try to keep you out of the sun here. I'm gonna give you a quick little pano, but the sun action's gonna blind you for a minute. Bam. But yeah, dude, very, very nice. Thinking about going up here and doing a little hiking up this hill, whatever. Oh, don't mind my hair, guys. You guys already know. I don't care anymore, man. At 52 years old, I'm glad to even have some hair. But anyways, couldn't find nothing at the park today very good besides some coinage. But hey, it was a realistic dig. Sometimes you get it, sometimes you don't. That's just the way it rolls. But be blessed, guys. Have your health. You know, no matter what your money situation is, you have your wealth. You're wealthy in family, and wealthy in your hobby, wealthy with your friends, whatever that may be. It's Joey again, guys. Vegas Detect. Much love to you. You guys be well. See you in the next upload. Bye.